friends, this is Meena Sharma. Today we will learn factor tree method. What is factor tree method? In this method, the number is factorized, यानी आप नंबर के फैक्टर्स निकालोगे repeatedly into a pair of factors until all the factors become prime. जब तक आपके सारे फैक्टर्स प्राइम नंबर्स नहीं बन जाते तब तक आप इसको रिपीटेडली करते रहेंगे. जैसे कि सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नो प्राइम नंबर्स. प्राइम नंबर्स आर दोज नंबर्स विच हैज़ ओनली टू फैक्टर्स, 1 एंड द नंबर इटसेल्फ. ओके, प्राइम नंबर कौन से होते हैं? जिनके सिर्फ दो ही फैक्टर होते हैं, जो सिर्फ 1 के टेबल में आते हैं और अपने टेबल से आते हैं. ठीक है, जैसे कि 2 इज कमिंग इन 1 टेबल एंड 2 टेबल, सो देयर आर ओनली 2 फैक्टर्स ऑफ 2, 1 एंड 2. 3, what are the factors of 3? 1 and 3. 5, what are the factors of 5 is 1 and 5. 7, what are the factors of 7 is 1 and 7. So they are coming in 1 table and itself table. So prime number has only 2 factors. And what are composite numbers? Composite numbers are those number which have more than 2 factors. तो 2 factors वाले को तो आप प्राइम नंबर बोलते हो. अगर 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर है तो उसे आप क्या बोलेंगे? कंपोजिट नंबर्स. क्या बोलेंगे उसे हम? कंपोजिट नंबर्स. लाइक 4. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. It has more than 2 factors, that's why it is composite number. तो हम फैक्टर ट्री मेथड में क्या करेंगे? We will find factors of a number until all the factors are prime numbers. Okay? So like we will do first example, that is 16. Okay? Now say 16. What are the factors of 16? 16 will come in 2 table. So 2 multiply 8 is equal to 16. So we will multiply 2 multiply 8. 2 multiply 8 is equal to 16. So these are the factors of 16. And 2 is a prime number. So we will circle it. We will not make its branches. This is composite number. We will make branch of this. Okay. Now, so we will do 8 will come again in 2 table. 2 4s are. When you multiply 2 by 4, you will get 8. So these are the factors of 8. And 2 is a prime number, circle it. Now make factors of 4. 2 multiply 2. Okay. Now these both are prime number. So you will repeat the step, okay, until you are not getting prime number. So now what are the prime factors of 16? Prime factors of 16 is equal to 2, multiply 2, multiply 2 and multiply 2. And now we will check our answer also. 2 multiply 2 is 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. Now when we multiply all the prime factors, our answer will be same, 16. Okay, so in this way we will get prime factors of a given number. Now take one more example, that is 81. Now tell me 81 will come in which table? 9 9s are. So you can take 9 9s are 81. So these are the factor of 81. But are these prime factor? No, this is composite number, this is also. So we will again make branch of this 9. Now 9 will come in 3 table. 3 3s are 9. This is prime, this is prime number. Now we will make branch of this. 3 3s are 9. So this is prime number, this is prime number. So we will circle all the prime numbers. Now what are the prime factors of 81? Prime factors of 81 is equal to 3. We will write all the prime number which we have circled. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now we will check our answer. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27 and 27 3s are 81. Now our answer is correct. These are the prime factors of 81. Okay. Now take one more example. We will take 72 now. 72. Tell me 72 will come in which table? 8 nines are. You can take 8 nines are 72. Okay. Now 8 is composite number and 9 is also composite number because they have more than 2 factors. So we will not circle. We will not circle composite number. We will circle only prime number. So now we will make branch of this 8. 2 4s are 8. Now here in these two factors 2 is prime. Now we will make branch of 4. 2 2s are 4. Now both are prime number. Now we will circle. Now do the branches of this 9. What are the factors of 9? 3 multiply 3. 3 3s are 9. So this is also a prime number. This is also a prime number. Now we will write all the circled number in this factor tree method. What are the prime factors of 72? Prime factors of 72 are 2 multiply 2 multiply this 2 multiply this 3 and multiply this 3. And now we will check our answer. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 and 24 3s are 72. So now our answer is correct. We find all the prime factors of 72. This is called factor tree method. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Have a nice day.